My name's Bob. I am the owner of a 23 F-150 Power Boost that has the pretty famous squeal noise as it goes in and out of electric and gas. Light acceleration or braking, either way, would make it, the noise started getting louder and louder and louder. As it got colder, it seems like it was getting louder and louder and louder. So it was really starting to irritate me. Doing a little research, I figured out it was most likely the heat exchanger on the exhaust, which I believe might be covered under warranty. Either way, you know, I don't really have the time to bring it to the shop. You know how that goes. So I got under there, and later on in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where. I use this product called Coil Penetrant. Make sure you can see that. You know, with the straw attached, obviously. Raise the straw up. I'm going to show you exactly where on the truck, but inserted this right into the hole. Gave it 1 or 2 presses. Haven't heard the noise since. You see this little hole right here. This is the product I had to use.